Ever heard of a little thing called WikiLeaks?
I have no comment. Next question.
Yeah, and you're too busy running your mouth.
You're too busy tanning. I would like to get the next question going, please.
Beautiful. You're hired. You're hired.
Yes.
You're hired. You're hired. That's what America needs. We need more laughter. We need tremendous laughter. We need so many things. We need Frazzle Trip. Oh.
Perfectly said. Perfectly said.
Sorry, Hillary. I was too busy choking on all your lies. Frazzle Drip. I heard a beautiful burping angel say, Frazzle Drip. This show's kooky. Suicide.
See? I hear beauty and angels, and I hear you hiccup. So.
All I hear is suicide, Hillary. I know we heard the same thing.
You need to keep those thoughts in your brain.
Oh, no,
those
Hillary.
Those are things you don't say out loud. This is more truth than I've heard out of your mouth in years, please.
I don't believe so, Hillary. That girl's a professional.
Here.
WikiLeaks. WikiLeaks, perhaps? It's not a laughing matter, Hillary. Time travel.
If your hand gets any closer to my face, I'm going to have to take a coronavirus test.
Don't worry, I won't be grabbing anything on you, Hillary.
Well, no, because my pussy's not up here.
Did you say pussy? That I was in.
It's gonna be Becko.
Are you going to do that again?
Red Bill. Oh.
That's right, America. Listen to that beautiful Queen of Burps. You've seen her on Howard Stern. Hi, Donald Trump knows the Queen of Burps. Come on, we've all seen her on Howard Stern. All queens want to be around me. Case in point, Hillary.
I really hope she got some on you.
She did. Queens do that from time to time. Not evil, demonic spirits such as yourself. I feel a tremendous amount of evil coming off of you right now.
Are you a demon?
It's gonna come out soon. It's all gonna come out soon.
I love America.
I love America.
You don't love America. That queen loves America. She loves America. Not you. Hillary, I'm running the United States. The only one here that wants to take over the world is you and your husband.
Shit. I have no comments on my husband. I have no idea where he's at or what island he's on.
What about the blue dress on the island? We've all heard about that. Sick puppy.
Sick, fun. I mean, who says what? But I will say, I am definitely not satisfied with where our country is at the moment. And I don't think America is either.
Wrong.
And I don't need you or anybody else to tell me what Americans want to vote on.
Keep burying yourself. I have tremendous evidence on you and the Obama administration spying on my campaign.
I have more interest in this foot than I do in what you are coming out of your mouth with.
Well, this is